Hi, I'm Abhishek Dey. I work at FutureWorks as a creative director, and I've been working here for the last 8 to 9 years actually. And before this, I was in Maya, and like a lot of people will know, I am also a Mac alumni, and I actually started my career from Mac. I did my Alpha course at that point of time, which was Max and Maya and After Effects, and then basically I was taken into the studio at Maya itself. My first feature, which I actually got my hands on, was Jizantara Mamantaram. It was a fantastic experience. The major reason for actually me coming into the industry was because of Mac, where uh, got that platform to actually learn at a place where the studio was around, and since the studio was around and I was in touch with the people really working in the industry, it was a great kind of a place to actually showcase my talent, and I could actually get into the industry. Obviously, going back to the early days when I came to Bombay, didn't know much about where to go, what to do. Had few opportunities, had few names in mind, but finally ended up in Mac, and there were quite gentle and good people around who actually guided me to the right course. And then it was almost like a family, in fact, because we had luckily I was in a center where the studio was also around, so, and the entire Mac family did allow us to actually interact with the studio people, which was I think one great memory, and I was lucky to be part of that team, and it was fun actually at that point of time to work with those people. Where in fact, when we were in the course, while the course was happening, we were given the opportunity to actually do some shots for the live projects, which was great to actually have happened. And it was like a school. It was like college. It was a lot of hard work. It was a lot of guidance by the seniors, I think, and the guidance was well taken. So apparently, in this whole journey of about 15 years or so now, I have been very happy and actually very lucky to be part of a lot of feature films. Uh, and first one, as I said, was Jayantaram Mamantaram, and then lot of other feature films actually followed. The most recent feature film which I just worked on was Roy this year, and it's good fun working with some talented people. Right now, we are actually working in our studio, working for 3 4 features. One of the most awaited feature is Azhar, which we have just started working on, and there are lots of other interesting features coming up. Lately, I've been actually moved myself into the whole structure of doing commercials and TV series and TV series promos rather. In fact, I won the 24 FPS Mac Award for the best TV series promo that I did lately for Razia Sultan. Doing quite a few promos of lately. The others to name is Ye Hai Mohabbatein, then Siya Ke Ram, then Chamatkar is another upcoming show for ZTV. I think to name some more feature films that I had done, one was one of the most closest to my heart was Mangal Pandey, which was when I was working for Maya, and I think one of the pioneering projects. Though we did very few shots for that film, but one of the most difficult shot at that point of time was to actually build the first shot, which was a painting coming to life, which started the movie. So yeah, so that was quite an interesting and a challenging work, and had a lot of fun to do it with the entire team. As a student, if you're watching this, I think what you should take from me is basically that we have grabbed the opportunity with the right attitude and the right way. It should be taken, And I feel if you do the hard work, obviously the hard work is all yours, and once you put that hard work, and I'm sure all of you are doing great work and you're putting all your efforts to actually do the best work that you can possibly do, I think then there is no other hindrance to actually become successful in this industry and work for so many platforms that is opening up actually. So today it's not only about features and commercials. There is basically a whole lot of TV series industry which is opening up, which is looking for a lot of 3D content. There is a lot of the digital spaces are opening up to actually look for 3D content, visual effects content, content which is to do with 2D animation and mixed media efforts that we have done. I think Mac has now opened up its shoulders to actually do a lot more in their course from just doing 3D and visual effects. So I think that is good. It's giving you the platform and giving you the exposure to actually know what is the industry leading up to. Like I said, to add on it, the industry is really opening up, and I think it's not only features. One very interesting aspect that I would like to say is that the internet digital platform is actually really going to be a huge boom in the coming future, which I guess you should all try and actually grasp as much as you can and be part of it as much as you can. To take an example, the next feature which is going to be solely released on the internet platform, that is on Netflix, is Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon Part 2. So which can actually say for itself that how the internet digital medium is actually growing, because now I think you guys are also on the phone and almost all the time on YouTube or any digital platform. So likewise, just to kind of elaborate that, it's basically a lot. It's opening up a new platform to actually showcase more work, showcase new content. So obviously, a lot of content needs to be generated towards that. So I think it's good news for all the students. Since this digital platform, as I was saying, has opened up, I think for all the students, it's a great news to actually come and do as much as you can to generate the content, both in 3D, for visual effects, for mixed media efforts, for creating your own short films, create your own movies, create your own clips. I think it's all laid out there, and I think the best effort that you can put and put all the hard work, I think you can actually have a lot of place to showcase your work. I think this I tell to everyone actually, whether it's student or a fresher, whoever is wanting to be a student or who has already done a course. I think hard work is the key basically. So perseverance, patience. This industry needs a lot of patience, to be honest. Nothing happens overnight. There's a lots of days and nights effort that you need to put to actually gain success. And trust me, once you gain that success, I think all that you've actually put is worthwhile, and you feel so much better, and you feel so much better than when you showcase your work to the entire world. And I think for this you really need to put in your best effort, and whatever you're good at, be honest to yourself, be honest to the entire world in terms of what you want to do and what is that gives you a kick to do, and please go ahead in that and do the best effort that you can put for the same. Basically, you have the animation and the visual effects as two different units. I feel both are somehow correlated to each other, and they basically run parallelly. But some specifics that you should be actually looking at and then looking at pursuing is basically, if you're doing animation, you should see a lot of animation films. See animation films which have been doing in the past, from Disney, right from the basic scratch 2D animations to the classical animations to the new age animation that is happening today. Understand timing. Go out there, see lot of nature, you will find a lot of animation references out of nature that you see. You can actually get references by a bunch of pigeons sitting and feeding. You get a lot of animation references from there. So I think you should actually see all this and basically take take back from there different things. You get lighting sense, you get composition sense, you get. So I think from all that you should gather bits and pieces and actually use it in while you're doing animation. For visual effects, students who want to pursue visual effects, I think you should always try and grab a camera if you possibly can. That's one of the best tool to actually understand what compositing is all about, what visual effects is all about. Visual effects is about recreating a photorealistic environment or a photorealistic shot in totality. If you have a camera, you click your own pictures, you understand again a lot of lighting, how light is falling on certain objects and certain buildings and stuff like that, or any landscape. You understand composition very well. You will learn from your own photographs that you basically bettering your photograph every day. You're composing them much better. So I think as a basic kind of a thing, if you can grab hold of a camera, a digital camera which doesn't need to be very expensive, I think it's a great tool to start from. And I hope and I wish you all the very best in life, and hope you do the best in this industry, and all the best. Thank you.